Welcome to the Questionable family once again. So I hope you guys are actually having a wonderful day and hope you have also been watching my latest update because I've always been dropping updates back to back on this channel. So today, this is a very different update. This I'm going to show you how you can get a free multi-log account. That's a free cloud phone on multi-log. So you just have to follow all the steps that I've been making on this video so as you are going to get your own free cloud phone today and now. So before then, please and please make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and also hit the like button so that you can also show me that you actually like my video and you are actually interested in more future updates. So without wasting much of our time, I'll just like to go straight to the video. But first and foremost, I'll be dropping the direct link in my description below. So if you click on the link in the description below, which are going to make use of my own link, which will direct you straight to this website and also make you have access to the free cloud phone that's going to be gotten from this following website. So this multi-log website. So once you click on the link in the description below, you'll be directed to this point and I'm going to show you how you are going to also get your free cloud phone today and now. So let's go straight to the video. So basically, all what you just need to do is once you click on the website, it will direct you straight to this point. So you then go down, you scroll down. So you are going to see basically three options: the 3 days plan, the pro, and the business. So basically, we are going for the most popular. The most popular one is the one that is showing you $7. So we are going to pick on the 10. We are selecting the 10. Then we click on choose plan. So once you click on the choose plan, then you fill in your email address here. So once you put in your email address here, so basically we are going for the personal, then my country is Nigeria. So you then click on, so this is actually the order summary, which we are going to click on pay monthly because we actually want to get this cloud phone. So we just click on pay monthly because we don't want to click on pay yearly because what you want to do here is not going to work for that pay yearly. It's only going to work for a month. So once you are here, then just type in this code that I'm going to say you should type in here, which is called Slim Free. And you need to write everything in capital letter. So that's SELIMFREE. So once you put it here, then click on apply. Then you can see the money aspect. Before our total was $11, but now we are not going to pay anything. So we're just going to pay 0 naira, 0 kobo. So you just click on pay now. So once you click on payment, once you have actually inputted your email, you are going to move to the next stage, which I'm also going to show you what you are also going to do on the next stage when you get to that point. So just keep watching. I'm going to show you. So let me just input my own email, then I'll see you in the next place when I click on pay now. So now I'll click on pay now. I've already added my email. Trust. So as you can see, it's already checking me out. So now this is where you're not going to, okay, they'll put your email for you directly. Then you then create your password. So you have to create your password and add them. So I'll actually add my password. Then I continue to the next aspect. So you click on I accept multi-log terms and service, continue. So now you actually need to have the app on your operating system because this cannot actually work on Android. I've tried to do it, but it did not work for my Android device. So you have either you have a Mac OS or a Linux or a Windows. That is only when you can actually make use of this update. So I'll need to install the mobile app. So I'll install this. So once I've installed it, I'll let you guys know and I'll show you what to do in the next aspect. Okay, so I already installed the app on my laptop because actually making use of Windows. So you can see the various options that they showed before: Windows, Mac, and Linux. So I'm making use of Windows. That's why I downloaded it on my Windows. So now I just need to just log in. Then once I log in, I'll see you in the next place. So I've actually logged in. So welcome to multilog. See how multilog keep you online, identify, organize, blah blah blah. So I'm actually in on multilog now. So let's just go straight to the point. Let me show you how you can get your own cloud phone. So this is it. This is the dashboard. So you can see mobile, you can see browser. So you can actually use anti-detect browser on this cloud phone also. Can also make it. You can also use anti-detect browser on this mobile app, which is multi-log. You can also use it. So you can actually create and but we are actually here for the mobile one to actually get a free cloud phone that we can use to maybe partake in survey or any other thing. So we click on create if it's on the mobile session. So click on create. So now I can give this any name of your choice. You can give this any name of your choice. Let me just give this UK. Let's say UK. Let's just say UK cloud phone or just give it any name rather. So let's just give it UK. So on this user case, this tag, this note, you can just leave this like that. There's not really any necessary thing to add here. So now on this proxy session, if you actually want to add your own proxy, you can click go to custom, then you can select the type of your proxy, if it's HTTP, HTTPS or SOC 5. Then you can input your proxy here. You can see that the proxy details here, you have to input everything together with the password, username, port, and IP. So just look at the instruction, which you differentiate it with those two comma, so those two dots rather. Then you input it here, then you are good to go. Which most provider of IP actually do this already for you. So just for you to just copy and paste, I think. Um so basically here I'll just be going with multi-log details. Let's just see how the house is going to be. Let's check United Kingdom. Then you can actually choose any region you want to go for. Let's just go for England, the country. I don't know. It's not bringing out any option. Let's see. It's supposed to bring out some option. Okay. Anyway, let's just leave it this way. I think only this one is okay. Let's just leave it in England here. Then if you want ISPs, any ISPs of choice, but I think there's only three ISPs that is here, BT, O2, and 3. So let's just go with anyone, just anyone at all. This is just a tutorial. So on the on the Android cloud phone that you want, any Android version, I think it's from 110 to 116. So you can go for any one of your choice, or anyone you want to actually use. Can go with any of your choice. And I think you can still select model, which is maybe you want to select Samsung. That's the first brand. Okay, it's Oppo, Samsung, OnePlus, Vivo, and Sony that is here. So Oppo, Samsung, OnePlus, Vivo, and the other one that is actually here. Then for the device, so for Samsung now we have a Galaxy Z Flip. So let's just go for anyone, just to make us anonymous on what we are actually currently going to do on this thing. On the network, we can leave it like this. Phone number, leave it like this. Location, still leave it like this because the IP base is actually good. Anytime you put your IP, for instance, you put your custom IP, is that location that your custom IP is, that the location is going to be. So it will actually save you in the long run. And so don't change this to custom, leave it as it is. Then click on create. So this is actually the cloud phone. The cloud phone I've already created. See the name UK. So this is it. So for the moment of truth, so let's now check if this cloud phone is actually going to actually open. So let's click on this play button to actually start our cloud phone. So this is install application on your for the phone. You can quickly install app while your phone is running. Start the mobile profile, tap the app icon, find the app and install. Okay. Okay, let's see. So now let's wait for it to actually open. So this is actually the first time I'm opening it, so I believe it might take some time. Maybe it's trying to install some things in the background. So let's just so I'll cut some part of the video so it's not be too long. Okay, so as you can see, the cloud phone have already started. So it actually took a while before it actually opened because, like I said, it was the first time I'm actually installing the app on my Windows. So it took a while to install. So if you're just coming on my video for the first time, please do well to hit the subscribe button and also do well to hit the notification button. So anytime I drop an update like this, you'll be the first to get notified. So let's just check and see. Remember, we choose a proxy that was given by multilog. So let's just check how the proxy will look like or if the proxy is actually okay. But like I said, I've not tried it before. So if you are doing it, it will be at your own risk. So I'm not saying that it's going to work. Like I said, I have not tried this before. So let's just check one website. So if you also have someone that is trying to get a cloud phone that does not have the money to get a cloud phone, you can still share him this video and follow each step on the videos to actually get a free cloud phone that you can use for 30 days. Because this is not a cloud phone that they'll say you use for 1 day or 3 days. You use this for 30 days. Remember when we're purchasing it, we actually selected 1 month. So it will be used for 30 days. Why is this thing not going? So it will be used for 30 days. Okay, let's just search. Okay, that is loading. Okay, so the cloud phone have actually started, and you can see the IP they gave to us was actually a UK IP, and the first score is actually zero. So actually, I don't know. I've not tried this their IP before. Like I said, I just discovered this update. That is why I came here to share it with my community people. So if you actually watch this video to the end, do well to hit the subscribe button and the like button. So anytime I get any good update like this, you'll be the first to actually see these updates. Thank you for watching this to the very end. See you in another future update like this.